Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy M34, and I'm gonna show you top 3 pet themes for this device. So, on the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher. Let's find it in the Play Store and click install. Click open. Agree. Here you can choose your favorite apps. And cool, so why I think that this launcher is one of the best for this device is just because here you have the favorite apps on the home screen. On the right panel we have the alphabetical line, and using this alphabetical line we can fastly find any applications, and it's minimalistic and very lightweight, so it will not use your system performance, and this way it will make your device faster. On the second place in my top is standard One UI launcher. It's beautiful, it looks great, it looks authentic. So when someone see your home screen when you're using standard One UI launcher, everyone knows that this is the Samsung One UI launcher, and everyone knows that this is the Samsung device, and it's very good because it's great when you're wearing the original launcher, for example. Yep. Okay, but on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Find it, click install. Click open. Get started, validate the app. Hello. Skip. Okay. Continue. Hello. Let go. Great. And what we can see here, as you can see here, we have the same interface like in One UI. So only because of it I can locate Microsoft Launcher on the first place on this Samsung device and on any other Samsung device, because Microsoft Launcher is one of the most flexible launchers. Maybe this is the most flexible and customizable launcher in the Play Store. This launcher is really functional. I'll show you the best features of this launcher and killer features. But when installing it on any other Android device, it looks bad. But with Samsung devices, it's really beautiful and it looks amazing. So I think this is the best launcher for this device, and I'll show you now the best features of this launcher. First feature is the glance panel. In the glance, we can set up all widgets in the way we want, and it's really cool. So all widgets we need, we can have here, and it's amazing. Here we can have news, of course, MSN News. In the main menu, we have alphabetical line that helps us to easily find applications. Here we have normal search, voice search, and Bing search. So Bing is the chatbot Bing. Here we have hidden apps feature, and if we will press and hold on the home screen, and by clicking on launcher settings, we can set up the gestures, and we can, for example, open, I don't know, Google Drive by swiping up with 2 fingers. Of course, now you can think that it is not useful feature, but if you will try, I know you will like it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.